Hello, everybody. The strike has been suspended. It's not over, but it's been suspended. Talking to y'all in the garage. I know, crazy looking background, but you do what you gotta do, right? At any rate, as of today, well, as of yesterday, Thursday evening, the strike has been suspended. The dock workers, ILA, has gotten close to what they wanted. They wanted a 77 wage increase over the next 6 years, and they're getting 62% over the next 6 years. So, yeah, I would take that too. You know what I'm saying? I actually said, will they take 60%? You know what I'm saying? And they said 62% was close enough. So I wasn't too far off. And yeah, the other thing that they really wanted to have happen was having their jobs going to automation to stop crane operators, prime example. But that's still on the table, and they got 90 days to iron out the contract. And if they don't iron out that by January 5th, 2025, then you could possibly see another strike. I'm kind of doubtful that they'll see another strike, to be honest, especially with them getting this pay, this raise increase. So, yeah. But with that being said, if they don't get something done with the automations, they definitely could see thousands of people lose their jobs within the next 6 years. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's actually a pretty big deal there. So, but ultimately it's a we'll see situation. It only took about a good 3 days for them to get things done. Really, you could say two, because everybody supposedly shut down Tuesday, 12 o'clock at night. Like nothing else is happening. And then got to Thursday evening for things to go back up, right? So it was only a couple of days. I thought it might be done this week, next week tops. So once again, all they really did was just push it a little bit further down the lane. They did enough to get people to start working, but that's all we really need right now. So yeah, you can definitely expect as a truck driver that things are going to be packed. I would say today, over the weekend, and next week, right? Because ultimately, I don't even know when they're technically going to start. When I looked last night after hearing that the strike was suspended, I looked on Port of Virginia website. They still had that the strike was still going on. So that it was an update. There's got to be an update at this point. Here is an update for the ports of Virginia. On Friday, the ports are still closed, but you can make a reservation for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday starting at 9 o'clock. On Saturday and Sunday, VIG and NIT will be open at 7 o'clock and they'll close at 4 o'clock, while PPCY and the chassis yard will be open from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. And then things will go back to normal on Monday. Only took 2 days, so the economy, ain't nothing happened with the economy, which is why they decided to get it done so fast. So that's a nice thing to have happen. But, we'll see if things are actually fully ironed out within the next 90 days. I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.